Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how to download the Python. In fact, the different versions of Python which you want to download. So if you see the latest version of the Python is 3.9, right? In case if you want to try with Python 3.9, which is the latest version, you can go to this particular link. I'll mention this link in the description, right? You can download it. So in my opinion, so I don't suggest to go for the latest version in case if you're, developing anything, right? You can go for the latest version, in case if you're exploring the new features, but in case for any, development purpose or the production purpose, make sure, you go one version lesser than it, right? In case if you want to download the previous version, I mean the older version, then we have to go to this particular link. I'll also mention this link in the description, right? So here you can choose what version you want to download. So maybe I want to go to Python 3.7.9, right? So you can click on that link, right, and scroll down. So you have different options where you can download for Mac, Windows. So make sure you download this particular hyperlink. So it is x8664 executable installer. It will be somewhere around 26 MB. So you can click on that, and yeah, somewhere around 26 MB you can save the file. So yeah, it downloaded successfully. Now you can install it. So make sure you add the part this Python in the path, so that when you open the command prompt, when you type Python, it will automatically recognize. So I would suggest not to install in the C drive, right? So maybe we can install in some other drive, maybe E drive, D drive, whichever the drive you want. Say next. So I'll browse. So I have a D drive. I Let me create a new folder called Python, right? Yeah. So maybe I'll say install for all users, and you can click on install. Yep. So it is installing. The installation is still going on. So the installation is success. So let me close it to make sure the everything went well. You can open the command prompt. Let me track it here and just type Python. Did you see? Yeah, it got installed successfully, and it shows the Python version 3.7.9, right? So it says the installation is successful now. So in the next video, we'll see how to install Jupyter Notebooks, Spider, right? So some other packages which are required for, the data science stuff, right? So hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.